start there. You don't have to start big. You can start as small as you have. If your business is maybe a fashion design or makeup, you can start by just drawing people eyelashes first. I mean, what's this? Eyebrows first. Like, you don't have to do the whole makeup thing. You start small and then you venture. As much as the business grows, you also venture into more. Don't be discouraged in seeing people like more superior than you and you starting from zero. That shouldn't discourage you from starting. Especially youth, we are the leaders of tomorrow. So for me, if you want to start a business that will also create employment to other people. Rather, don't make a business that is only beneficiary to you, but then something that can benefit others.
Hi guys, my name is Zaida Homa.
Ahe minjani, mina tinyiko donation machevele nsuka ka ngezimani se mina ngevulavuli hi xilungu hi ku xilungu xi ti hi xikepe.
Okay, hello guys, my name is Penelope Ngoveni, like I'm from Wamitwa and Deteni. So like I saw this cake on TikTok.
Mi ta swi vona swilo swi ta endleka no dya mi ta dya hambi mi ta mi nga dyangi ka mi dya kwala.
Cupcakes and Baking Academy.
Welcome to Youngsters Inspirational Series. We aim to inspire young people to be aware of the golden trophy that's within them. You are beautiful beyond measure. It's okay to fail. You're not a loser until you give up.
Welcome to Katekani and Baking Academy. My name is Katekani. I'm the founder of Katekani. So if you want to join Katekani and Baking Academy, you're welcome. Normally, I have my classes during the in the middle of the year, June and December. So if you wanna come and we have fun in my classes. So I'll advise that if you want to start a baking or maybe a bakery, but then you don't have an idea. Sometimes you look at videos and you don't understand. You can come to Katekani. I will teach you how to bake. And yeah, that's it.
Hi guys, my name is Zaida Homa. Actually, at the moment, I'm staying in Kiani in Limpopo. I'm actually one of the people that like baking a lot and cooking. So like I think it was last year, early last year, my mom actually, she likes to also cook recipes like me and on YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. So she actually came across Katie's page, and then she used to watch it a lot, and then she told me that there's this other lady, you know, she's from around here, and then she likes to post things of baking. So we used to watch it a lot, and then I think I missed the class last year. So this year we decided to enroll. Yes, actually I missed again. Was it in June? So this year actually got an opportunity to come and attend class. I was a bit nervous the day before, but when I came here, it was amazing. I don't want to lie, guys. She's actually good, you know, especially for the foundation of baking. Cakes, scones, and biscuits. You know, it's actually a challenge when it comes to baking scones, but it's really amazing. You know, you get to learn everything, and I love the fact that she attends to every person. You know, she's just so loving. It's amazing. Even the people around, you know, everyone is willing to learn. She's willing to teach. It's just a beautiful experience. And actually, I'd like to say I think this is just the beginning of a new page of my life, and I'm so excited for what lies ahead of me because, yeah. I think it's I don't even know what to say. So actually, for someone who would like to bake or is a beginner or you like cooking, I would recommend that you come to Katie's Cakes, and yeah, you learn everything. It's actually it's amazing. It's just a new world of a new life, you know. Yeah, I think all I can say is come and see for yourself. Come and see for yourself. Yeah, it's
Njani? Mina tinyiko donation machevele. Nsuka kangezimani. Se mina ngevulavula hi xilungu hi ku xilungu xi ti hi xikepe. Hi nga ta jila. Mina ni voni sesi Katekani ka TikTok. Ende mina ni munhu wo rhandza ku baka. Se ni vona swi ni fanerile ku ni va like ni landzelerisa ni za ni kota ku ta ta fika kwala. Se ni fike ni vona mitirho ya wona no dya xemla. Mi nga chavi n'wina mi nga le kaya loko mi va vona va followeni mi swi landzelerisa mi ta fika kwala ka makoxa. Mi ta swi vona swilo swi ta endleka no dya mi ta dya hambi mi ta mi nga dyangi mi fika mi dya kwala. Se hi dyondzile swo tala swinene. Sweswiwani hina hi tiva ku khekhe ri bakiwa ngopfu hi tirhama mara sweswi se hi swi vonini ku khekhe ri bakisiwa ku yini na swikontsi hinkwaswo se hi swi vonini na loko se hi fika kaya hi ta fika se hi ri na vutlharinyana hi ta fika hi kombeta van'wani vanhu. Ende sesi Katekani hi nge zi hi fika hi mi fihla kaya hi ta fika hi kombisa van'wani vanhu va kota ku ta va ta vona leswi hina hi nga swi vona. Se ha khensa sesi Katekani vutlhari lebyi mi nga hi nyika byona byi kombeni na vanhu van'wanyana mi nga byi kombi hina ntsena na rirhandzu leri mi hi kombaka rona ri kombeni van'wani mi nga kombi hina ntsena na khensa.
Okay, hello guys. My name is Penelope Ngobeni. Like I'm from Wamitwa and Katekani. So like I saw Katie's cake on TikTok. So it really like inspires me. And then Shimana, I just saw her personalities on TikTok, Facebook, and everywhere. Like you can see there, she's so friendly. Like I really enjoyed the classes. Like when I saw it on TLC, I thought maybe it's something difficult to bake and all those kind of a thing. The reason why I came here, I'm just other person who's passionate to cook and to do all those kind of a thing. So I just saw it as an to inspire my desire or my hobby on a daily basis, Nikki. And another thing, she's a lovely person. So I would really recommend anyone at home, if you have a passionate on baking or anything, you can come here, you'll have fun, guys. You can look at me like I'm smiling and all those kind of things. So please, if there's anyone at home who wants to come and join the classes, you're welcome to have fun and to play with food, flowers, rum and everything. So everyone at home, you're free to join the classes, as she say on the TikTok, are June and December. So like now you have a time for next year to come and join us and start your own thing. Thank you.